In today's health-conscious world, bolstering our immune system has never been more important. With the ever-present threat of viruses and pathogens, ensuring our body is well equipped to fend off these invaders is crucial. One of the most effective ways to enhance our immune defenses is through proper nutrition, particularly by ensuring an adequate intake of essential vitamins. Here, we explore some of the best vitamins known to help fight viruses and pathogens. 1. Vitamin C. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in immune function. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential in fighting infections. Additionally, vitamin C enhances the function of these cells and protects them from damage by harmful molecules like free radicals. Sources include citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, grapefruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. 2. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, vitamin D is crucial for maintaining a robust immune system. It enhances the pathogen-fighting effects of monocytes and macrophages, white blood cells that are critical parts of your immune defense, and decreases inflammation. Sources include sunlight exposure to fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, fortified dairy products, and supplements. 3. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is vital for maintaining the health of your skin and tissues in the respiratory and gastrointestinal systems. It plays a key role in the production and function of white blood cells, which help capture and clear bacteria and other pathogens from your bloodstream. Sources include liver, carrots, sweet potatoes, kale, spinach, and apricots. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight off infection. It enhances immune responses and may provide protection against several infectious diseases. This vitamin works by neutralizing free radicals, thus preventing cellular damage. Sources include nuts, almonds, hazelnuts, seeds, sunflower seeds, spinach, and broccoli. 5. Vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is crucial for supporting biochemical reactions in the immune system. It assists in the production of hemoglobin, which is necessary for transporting oxygen in the blood. And it aids in maintaining the health of lymphoid organs that produce white blood cells. Sources include chicken, fish, salmon, tuna, potatoes, chickpeas, and bananas. 6. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is important for keeping your immune system healthy. It helps in the production of DNA and RNA, the genetic material in cells, and also works to produce neurotransmitters that support immune function. Sources include meat, fish, dairy products, and fortified cereals. 7. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is often recognized for its role in blood clotting, but it also has immune-boosting properties. It helps regulate inflammatory responses and supports the health of bones and cardiovascular systems, which are crucial for overall well-being. Sources include leafy green vegetables, kale, spinach, broccoli, fish, meat, and fermented foods. A well-balanced diet rich in these essential vitamins can significantly enhance your immune system's ability to fight off viruses and pathogens. While supplementation can be beneficial, it is always best to obtain these nutrients from natural food sources when possible. Additionally, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management, complements the beneficial effects of these vitamins and supports overall immune health. Incorporating these vitamins into your daily regimen can provide a strong foundation for your body to resist infections and maintain optimal health. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement to ensure it is safe and appropriate for your individual health needs.